It's no secret that consumers are looking for more healthy and convenient foods to replace their traditional snack and breakfast foods. You're hearing it from all types of sources that you're supposed to have more fiber, more calcium, more vitamin D, and increased consumption of whole grains in your diet. But the question is where do you get this in a tasty package that's convenient, something that you feel good about eating, and something that your kids will eat? Invisible Goodness Natural Base from Caravan Ingredients provides all of these benefits. It's a base that when combined with flour, water, oil, yeast, and any flavorings and inclusions that you'd like to add, turns into a tasty little bar or circle or triangle, whatever shape that you want to show. Once the dough's mixed, put it out on a floured bench. We're going to use a rolling pin and we're going to roll it down to about 12 millimeters of thickness. Take the tension out of the dough by relaxing it. Then we're going to cut it into 1 1/4 inch strips lengthwise. Then we're going to reset our multi-wheel cutters to 4 1/4 inches and cut them into bars. Next, we're going to spray the tops of the bars with some water just to get them slightly damp enough to be able to accept our brown sugar cinnamon streusel. And then using the rolling pin, we'll go over the top of it lightly just to press it down onto the bar. Then on a papered sheet pan, we'll individually pan the bars. Once they're all panned, we'll move them to a proof box where we'll proof them just like you would any other bread or roll for about 40 to 50 minutes. You won't see a lot of change in the size of the product during the proofing. They will spread out slightly. That's very normal. Once proofed, they'll go to an oven that's 460 degrees and be baked for 8 minutes. Once the product's baked, you can finish it off. We did the chocolate chip ones here with a little squiggly of some chocolate icing, or you could use a white icing on top of it, or you could leave them plain. I want to also say that this is an excellent platform for other types of varieties, savory varieties such as jalapeno cheddar. You get a 60-gram bar. That's a good source of fiber, a good source of vitamin D, an excellent source of calcium. It's eligible for the whole grain stamp through the Whole Grains Council. And also, with our shelf life extension technology that we use in the base, you're able to display this in an individual display case, in clamshells, in multi-packs, or individually wrapped like we have here on the bench.